In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write prompts for Midjourney. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to midjourney.com. On the homepage, find the Create section. This is where you'll craft your idea into a prompt and turn it into an image. Once you're on the Create page, you'll see a text box at the top. That's your canvas. Everything you type here will guide the AI on what to produce, so clarity and detail really matter. In that text box, begin with a simple idea like running horses. Now, to help Midjourney understand exactly what you want, expand that thought with clear, descriptive language. Think of it as telling a short, vivid sentence. What is the subject? What is it doing? Where is it? And what's the vibe? For example, instead of just writing running horses, try a richer prompt like a herd of wild horses galloping across a dusty plain at sunset, golden backlight, dramatic dust trails, cinematic composition, high detail. You can add artistic directions too, such as watercolor illustration, photorealistic, or studio lighting, depending on your goal. If you like a certain camera look, include it. 85mm lens, shallow depth of field, or aerial perspective. Color and mood cues help a lot. Warm tones, stormy sky, or soft morning light. Keep your language concise, separate ideas with commas, and avoid unnecessary filler. The more specific the scene, the better the results. After your prompt feels clear and expressive, open the settings on the Create page. These controls refine how your prompt is interpreted. Choose an aspect ratio that matches your intent, like wide for landscapes or vertical for portraits. If a style option is available, set it to match your vision. Graphic illustration for bold shapes, cinematic for dramatic lighting, or photographic for realism. You can adjust quality or detail if you want finer textures, and pick a model version that aligns with the look you're after. If you need to steer away from unwanted elements, you can include brief exclusions in the prompt, keeping them short and relevant. When everything looks good, click Submit. Give the generation a moment, review what you get with your original words in mind. If the image is close but not quite there, tweak the prompt, tighten the subject, strengthen the action, or clarify the mood, and submit again. Small edits often make big improvements. With this approach, clear subject, purposeful detail, and thoughtful settings, you'll write prompts that consistently turn your ideas into compelling images.